everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, let me teach you on how to cancel Remitly transaction and progress. You can only cancel a Remitly transaction if it has not arrived yet. First, open the Remitly app on your device, and then open your transfers by tapping View All beside it. In here, you'll see the transfers that you've made. If the transfer is completed or delivered, then there's no way you can cancel it. But if it is still in progress, then you can simply cancel it by opening or tapping that transaction where you'll see the details of it. Now simply scroll down to the bottom and then click on the Cancel Transfer. In this window, your refund may take up to 10 business days. Once you're ready, then tap Cancel Transfer. It will automatically cancel your transfer and simply select the reason on why you need to cancel it, then tap on Submit. Now that's basically how you can do it. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.